Bhagat Singh was a great martyr who grew up during the time of Indian freedom struggle. At a tender age, he started to wonder why Indians are unable to attain freedom from a few British people. He always dreamed India to be a free. The sad event that took place at Jallianwala Bagh on 13th April 1919 compelled him to go to Amritsar. At that time, he was just 12 years old. At Jallianwala Bagh, thousands of Indians were killed by British officer General Dyer on the day of Baisakhi. Seeing the tragic scene, he was both angry and in tears. He decided to fight back. He kissed the earth and returned to his home with little bottle full of blood-soaked soil. His hero was Kartar Singh Sarabha, who was hanged at the age of 19 by British. Sarabha was Bhagat Singh's hero and he followed him with his whole heart. The name Bhagat Singh meant the fortunate. He was named so as his family thought that child would bring luck to his family. In February 1928, India faced a commission known as Simon Commission. During this commission, the purpose of visit was to control how much freedom and power could be given to people of India. Indian freedom fighters protested against the commission. During this protest, which took a violent turn, and due to police lathi charge, our great freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai was hurt badly. He couldn't recover and eventually died. To avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru planned, shot and killed British officer to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. In April 1929, British government wanted to present two bills before the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt planned to throw a bomb in Legislative Assembly. This bomb was deliberately thrown at an empty location where no seats were acquired. The aim of this action was to make their voice heard by shouting the slogans of Inqilab Jindabad and Long Live Revolution. They shook the British government. The idea of the attack was not to kill anybody, but only to be heard by British government, as the government always turned deaf ears to India's freedom struggle. At their trial, Bhagat Singh came to be known as Shaheed Bhagat Singh, as he attained martyrhood at the age of 23. The story of his courage, patriotism, and inspiration is the motto and for many youths at the time who wanted to see India independent. Even today, Shaheed Bhagat Singh memories continue to inspire youth. Many poems and songs have been written about his courage and undying patriotism. Let's not forget these freedom fighters who put their everything for the freedom of our beloved country, India. We should take care of this freedom which we have attained with so hardship and so much sacrifice. We should pay our responsibility as by fulfilling the fundamental duties as a citizen of India. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.